Hello there! In this video, I will demonstrate how to use my new free Blender add-on, which transfers shape case from one mesh to another in a couple of clicks. It may be helpful when you create RPG character with a lot of clothes. First things first, we need to download the add-on. Check the link in the description. Recommended price is $1, but you may pay nothing if you don't want to. It's not a problem. So download the add-on, open Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, Install, and find the add-on in your download folder. Activate it. Let's see the example. The character has a few shape case, and there are no shape case for the t-shirt and the trousers. Select target objects, the t-shirt and the trousers, and then at the end select the source object. Pay attention to the order of selection. Source object is last to select. In terms of Blender, it should be an active object. You may check it on the right panel. Here we see the name, and we may see the shape case. Everything is ready for transfer. Open N panel, Tools, Transfer from Active, and check the results. As you may see, some of the shapes are not perfect because these shapes are very different from the basis shape. But even now, it is a good starting point. If your shape case does not deform the mesh too much, the results will be much better. Otherwise, especially if there are wrinkles, you should be ready to fix the transferred shape case. A couple things about add-on preferences. The first parameter is replace shape case. If it is off and we will transfer the shape case second time, no data will be deleted, so we see the same name like muscle, point, 001, etc. But if it is on, all shape case of the target object with overlapping names will be replaced. Be careful with this parameter, you may lost important data if do something wrong. The other two parameters is related to surface deform modifier, and usually the default values works well. The only thing, you may slightly increase the strength to 1.1 or 1.05 if the clothes overlaps with the body, and higher strength will increase the offset. That's it. Subscribe my channel and Gumroad page if you like my short and informative videos. Thanks for watching.